Meaning of Daytona 500.
Daytona 500.
Daytona 500.
Daytona 500.
Daytona 500. The Daytona 500 is a NASCAR Cup Series race that takes place annually at the Daytona International Speedway in Daytona Beach, Florida. The race is considered one of the most prestigious events in the sport and is the season-opening race. Drivers compete over 500 miles, 805 kilometers, for the chance to become the Daytona 500 champion. The most recent race was won by Michael McDowell, who secured his first-ever Cup Series win after a dramatic last-lap crash involving several front-runners. McDowell was able to avoid the mayhem and cross the finish line in first place.